Let me give you an introduction to mathematical proofs. So the idea behind it is that someone makes a statement, everyone thinks the statement is true but not sure. You would then use some sort of mathematics to show that the statement was true, and then everyone will be 100% sure. That's the idea behind it. So let me give you an example. So an example is the sum of three consecutive numbers will be divisible by 3. So for example, three consecutive numbers. So let's randomly select 3. You've got 3, 4, 5. You see, 3 consecutive means one after the other. When you add them all up, whatever the answer is, it would be divisible by 3. So that's our statement here. So let's test it. 3 plus 4 is 7. 7 plus 5 would be 12. You see, 12 is divisible by 3 because when you divide it by 3, it equals a whole number. That's what divisible by 3 means. Or you can think of it as the number 12 can be written as 3 times a block of 4. So this is a whole number. It can't be a decimal. So let's test another one. So you see, everyone thinks this is true, but we're just not sure yet. So let's test it. Let's select a different number. Okay, let's try 10, 11, 12. 21 plus 12, that would be 33. Now 33 is divisible by 3 because 33 divided by 3 is 11. Or you can think of it as 33 is a block of 3 times a block of 11. Look, this is a whole number. So we all think it's true, but we're just not sure. We're at this stage at the moment. Well, we could try. We can't just sit here and try all the numbers. For example, what about 79, 80, 81? We can't sit here and test all possible numbers. We all think it's true, but we're not sure. Now, we're going to use some mathematics to jump from here to here, where I will then convince you that it will be 100% true. So let's put it to the test now. So the idea behind mathematical proof is this. There are lots of ways of doing it. One way is to call this n. Remember, the sum of three consecutive numbers will be n plus 1, and then n plus 2. Now, if you add these three together, it will give you this. N plus this number here, n plus 1, plus this number here, n plus 2. When you add up all three numbers, it will give you 1n plus 1n plus 1n, that would be 3n. A single number, merge them together, that would be 3. Now, to show that that is divisible by 3, you want to, well, let me just factor out the 3 first, because 3 is in common, so you can actually factor it out like this. Because look, 3 times n would be 3n, 3 times 1 would be 3. So this is exactly the same as this. Anyway, by looking at this, you can tell that this number here will be divisible by 3. If you can write it like this, it will be divisible by 3. For example, let's say n is 99. So imagine this is 99, 100, 101. Well, this, when you put 99 in here, it will be 100. 100 times 3, you see this, the number 300 is divisible by 3. If you can write in this form, it would be divisible by 3. You can see it's divisible by 3. So to show that something's divisible by 3, you have to write it as 3 times something. And if this something is a whole number, then you know it's divisible by 3. For example, when you choose n to be 99, this thing here will be 100 because it's plus 1. So the number 300 is divisible by 3. Okay, so hang on, let's start again here. So you start out by saying the sum of three consecutive numbers. So sum up these three numbers, n plus 1 plus n plus 2. When you sum up all three numbers, it will come to 3n plus 3. Now, to show that this number is divisible by 3, you factor out the 3. So it's like this. So now you can be sure that whatever the answer is, it will be divisible by 3. Now we're at this stage where everyone will be 100% sure that the statement was true. Okay?